Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is fried confetti corn. The veggies you need are about 8 ears of corn, red pepper, a green pepper, and a small onion. I'm using a big onion because I really like onions. So you're going to take the corn off the cob, chop up the onions and the peppers, and then I have 1 block of cream cheese that I'm going to cube up. That way it melts a little bit easier when we do put it in the pan. You could probably use frozen corn with this, and that will save you a lot of time because I don't know why, it just takes forever for me to get the corn off the cob. Yeah, I even have a special little Pampered Chef device that makes it quicker, and I don't know, I hate that part. So I've already made some bacon. You're going to need about 8 pieces of bacon. You could totally add more if you want to. But I've cooked it and left about 2 tablespoons of grease in the pan, and then I'm going to add all my veggies. And I probably should have put this in a giant tall pot, because it is full, and I would be lying if I said I didn't stir this and constantly flick corn outside, because I totally did. So I sauteed that for about 10 minutes or so, just constantly stirring it so all the veggies were getting cooked. And then I'm going to add in my cream cheese that I have cubed and a 1/2 cup of half and half. And you're going to keep stirring that until all the cream cheese is fully melted, everything's well incorporated. And once that's all melted, I have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to stir that in. And once you do that, you're done. You could sprinkle bacon on top and put it in a little serving dish. And yeah, it's delicious. I love cream cheese. I love vegetables. This was super yummy. This is my first time making it, and I ate this entire pan to myself over the course of 2 days, 2.5 days. It's so good. My family hates vegetables. I think I've told you that, but I love stuff like this. This is a meal to me. So I'll put the cookbook below, the full recipe, in case you want to check it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.